Welcome back to my channel, travelers. Thank you so much for joining me once again. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a step-by-step explanation of how to get your bearings when you first arrive at the main ADO bus terminal in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. So I'm going to show you exactly where you need to go to take a taxi immediately from the bus terminal, or where you can walk up to if you want to take a cheaper taxi in the city or even public transportation. I also share with you where you can go to immediately get Mexican pesos at the best possible rate when you first arrive in Playa del Carmen. So once I get done showing you that first bit, the rest of the video is going to basically show my vlog of my day or my experience that day in Playa del Carmen as I explored the city and the things that I found along the way that are for people like me who are vegan, vegetarian, plant-based, and health food enthusiasts. So I really hope that you enjoy this video, and let's get into the video. So that's it for this video today. I really hope that you enjoyed what I had to share with you today around what to expect when you first arrive at the ADO bus terminal in Playa del Carmen, the main terminal, and that the images that I shared with you today really helped you to feel very familiar with the area and know what to expect and where to go, because that was the whole purpose of sharing this video with all of you today, is really to support you and feeling like you've already been there, so that way it's not so scary, overwhelming, or maybe, I don't know, just uncomfortable in any kind of way for you, especially if you're a first-time traveler or solo traveling for the first time. Sometimes it can feel a bit unnerving when you're going to a new place and you don't know what to expect. So I really hope that this video has done a great job in showing you what to expect, where to go, and all that jazz, and that you enjoyed the additional information that I had to share with you around, you know, finding plant-based food or healthy natural products in the area, in case that interests you. I want to share something else around the food stuff. Is while I was walking around the city center the day that I found those tacos, I remember seeing signs for food that said like 3 tacos for 45 pesos, and these are regular meat tacos. And so when I went to that restaurant that I shared with you in this video and I had to pay 45 pesos per taco, I was like, how come the meat eaters get to have 3 tacos for 45, but I have to pay 45 for just 1 taco? Like, what is this madness here? Like, why can't I get as much food as them? But I thought that was really funny. A lot of times in that general area of the Riviera Maya, vegan food or vegetarian food tends to be pricier than normal food, is what I experience. And if you're interested in hearing these kinds of things, I will more than likely do a video explaining like vegan traveling in Mexico, because I think that just deserves a whole video in and of itself. But if you're interested in that kind of video, definitely let me know in the comments below, and I will be more motivated to do that video more quickly. I'll do it eventually, because I have a lot of things to say on this. But if you have enjoyed this video and it helped you in some kind of way, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, a like wherever you're watching from. Definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet already, to see more of my videos on my adventures around the world. I'm currently in Colombia, and I will be showing or sharing videos of my experiences here in Colombia. But for right now, I'm doing my best to get through the things that I lived and experienced in Mexico and sharing with all of you here as I go along my journey. And my partner, my boyfriend, is currently supporting me with the editing of these videos. So it's thanks to him that I'm actually able to upload this information more quickly, sometime this decade, and sharing that with all of you so that it can help you in your journeys, because this is my hobby. This is what I like to do for fun, because I like helping people and sharing information and experiences that can support them. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these kinds of videos. They're kind of educational, kind of informative, kind of just my vlog and my experience in that moment in real time. And if you have anything you want to share with me, any questions, any experiences you want to share with me, definitely let me know in the comments below. I always love hearing from all of you. It also does help my channel as well when you interact with me and you share, you know, what you got out of these videos or what you want to learn more of, because then that way I know, you know, how to support all of you with this whole channel in your experience of the world. So let me know in the comments below. And if you speak Spanish and you're interested in traveling and knowing what to expect and what to do in certain places, if you speak Spanish, you're more than welcome to follow my partner, who has just started his own YouTube channel as well, and he does his videos in Spanish, so you can check him out at Turisteando con Yoni, and the link for his channel will be in the description below. You can always find links in the description of my videos to the Airbnbs that I share with you in my videos, and any other relevant stuff that I might have to share with you. Like if you're using Airbnb for the first time and you use my code, you can get some kind of discount for your first time booking, and I get some kind of credit or something, or with other taxi apps and so on and so forth. So I have some codes and things that you can use in the description of these videos that are always handy to check out in the description so that you can benefit from them in some kind of way. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you all so much for following me on this journey and for being so patient with me in, you know, letting me upload these videos in a time that suits me. So I wish I could do these more often or more consistently, more frequently, but yeah, I got other things I got to be focusing on. So this is just what I do for fun, and I try to come on here as often as I can. So I send you all so much love. Take care. I will see you in the next video. Oh yeah, my next video, hold on a second. My next video is going to be all about, what am I looking at here? All about the second bus terminal in Playa del Carmen. So I share with you some info around that. I also share with you some other things that I see in Playa del Carmen, and my trip from Playa del Carmen to Tulum. So definitely be sure to look out for that next video. It's almost nearly edited, so it will be up soon. And that's basically it. I'm trying to get on top of these things here for, at last. So anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.